Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change or replace the new battery on your LG Smart TV remote control. Okay, and to replace the new battery, you will find out the battery location on the back of your TV remote control. And now press on this button and then slide it to down, and you will find your old battery inside your remote control. Take it out one by one by pressing that location, and now input the new battery. Follow up the mark inside the remote control, so this one in this position, and it used the AAA battery size, so just take note it, and then this one to this position. After that, input the cover back and slide to the left. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change or replace the new battery on your LG Smart TV remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.